Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm in the hole where the pump is supposed to go, so the pump hole. And this is going to be another video about pipes. We wanted it a long time finished, so sorry about the videos getting a bit too repetitive regarding pipes, but it has to be done, and we kind of want to show you, don't want to just have it finished. So we're going to be putting on the pump, small pump for now, not the big one. Would be nice to put the big one, but we kind of need it for our house, and it's just a bit of a mess to remove and to put back just for a test. So we're gonna put this one for now. It's also gonna be good for pumping some water for the goats, because it's gonna be all the way till the goat house, the second pipe that is going. And there we don't really need water, but it's gonna be there for just so we can expand that folded pipe, and just to see how much water comes out at the end. So if this, whatever this says, pumps 1,800 liters in an hour, it should come out in 10 minutes 18 liters there, so we can count that with a bucket. So yeah, let's hook it all on, put the pump in, and see if we get water, and then close everything finally up. So we are done with pipes.
I hope that at the end of this video, everything is going to be closed.
It should be done, yeah. I don't think we're going to stretch it
No more
further.
videos, no more obstacles. Let's hope that there's no more obstacles, because the reason was that there were so many obstacles. And hope that this bent piece, in case you missed it in past video, opens up.
Yeah, it should be.
Best case scenario.
Okay, let's set it up. It sounds like it's going up.
Go. Perfect.
Looks pretty professional. So we are done with the pump, all attached, really professional, and now we are ready to go. We did. I thought we didn't add a valve. We added a valve, and also gonna go and add the valves at the end, so we can open it when we want. So we also can keep the pressure and see if it expands. This thing doesn't produce as much pressure as the big tank, as I said, the big pump, but it should be enough, and to see if the pipe is okay. Because I really don't want to add a connection in the ground, so let's go and add the rest of the connections and test it out.
And if we see that it even opens up a bit, then we can hope that with a big pump it's fully gonna
open a lot more, yeah.
Okay. No, it's okay. I think the air is out.
Okay.
Oh, that's a lot of water. Yeah, that's a lot of water.
One. So a good pump will be running no problem. Yeah, it's more than I think.
Why did you not take a watering can? Well, that is not an efficient way. Because it's just...
It's a bit of a steep angle for the water. It's kind of helping it. It's not really a good test, is it?
What are you doing? Why not watering can? You're just making mud.
Now it's coming.
Wait, now it's coming.
Delay, yeah.
Now it's coming.
Well, at least it's coming.
Look, oh, φίλε, nice water. Let's go to drink it.
Show me.
So good.
Oh, it looks clean. So we have tested the water pipes, and they work perfectly fine. We actually got a lot more than the pump advertised for, so we got 2,000 liters an hour. So we spent for a minute, we got 20 liters exactly. And yeah, so here the pipe did expand quite a bit, and the water flow is perfectly fine, and it feels like it's coming back to a form slowly. and the other pump is gonna have a lot more pressure. It has a much higher pressure, so it should even help a bit more, and I think it's perfectly fine. So yeah,
I think it's bigger risk to put a connection in
I think the risk is more likely to fail. I already don't like that we have one connection there, but we needed to split the pipe to go in 2 different directions. But yeah, that's it. Let's start closing it, and that part we're gonna leave, of course, open because we need to continue. But all the way till this corner is gonna get all closed up now. So let's get it all closed up, starting with the outside, which we did, I think, a week ago. So let's see those clips first.
Not a favorite, but
Nothing else will work underground. You can't put rock wool underground. It's not our favorite thing to do it like this, but we have to insulate it here because it's only 40 centimeters underground and it is quite likely to freeze. So this is the best and longest way of preserving the pipes from freezing. This plastic will survive quite a while. This is the hard plastic you put for floors. Also, you put it under concrete, so kind of the same application, should last a while, but also problem is that mouses can live inside and wreck it. But then if they make nests, they're kind of insulating the pipes as well, so it replaces insulation with insulation, so doesn't bother me. And we do need them insulated because we can't go deeper. It's not physically possible to go deeper because then we have to redo the whole foundation of this building, so wouldn't be possible.
I mean, honestly, 30 centimeters also like no freezing already, so.
Yeah, we've never had it deeper than a shovel, so.
That should be okay.
Here's way too little. Pushed it too far. As you saw, the tractor did an amazing job and it closed it perfectly. Birgit went over it with the rake and raked it all nice and smooth as well. Now we have driven it with the car and it's nice and compact and has no problem. We'll see the water will probably compact it even further with the rain, but that will take a while, and then we'll add whatever dirt is missing on top. Out of control.
That's what happens when David works overtime.
Whew.
Do we still have to close the inside, or do we do that tomorrow?
What? Yeah, yeah.
I think we do that tomorrow.
Why? I'm gonna do it.
Are you going for it?
No.
I guess.
Still here only, no? We cut it. So there's fine.
Yep. Looking pretty good.
Hoppa. Cool, no? Oh. Not door handle, but the one that...
The one that closes.
Yeah, the latch. So we are done till here. We have fully buried it. We still have a lot more to do. It has to get to its actual spot, and we need to add another connection that goes to here, which is actually going to be a kitchen. We kind of changed our plans completely. So we wanted actually the upstairs to have a kitchen. It's going to move to downstairs, and upstairs is going to be pure living space. So it's also easier for plumbing, because it's hard to get a plumbing upstairs, especially if you don't want to be going through these nice beautiful beams. And this wall is really not easy to make it through, and of course still you would need to go through beams unless you put the sink directly over the wall, which we will not. So yeah, that's gonna be the kind of the idea. And now it's closed. Now we can bring in firewood finally, because this was kind of bothering. I did bring a lot already in while it was like this, but it was quite a mess. I fell in many times, so not very easy. So now we can bring it in properly, and yeah, we can also have a bit more of our walking space here and our gate back. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm not sure if we're going to continue on this next video, so we're probably going to continue on some other things, but we'll get back to this pretty soon because we want to get it done pretty quick. And we have actually decided to be pouring all these floors with a company because we found out how not cheap, but how efficient it will be, of course, to do it all in one day. And also that we want to put the heated floors with insulation. We decided to go all out on this and make it all heated floors. The whole bottom floor is 50 square meters. And it will cost us around 2,000 for this whole building. In total, I'm saying insulation, heated floors, and concrete, and the walls. So I don't think that's still that much. So I think slowly we're going to be able to afford it and do it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. We're going to see you next time. And yeah, projects, a lot of projects to do actually. And potato harvest and blah, 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 blah. Yeah, let's go to work.